If you want to increase traffic and sales to your shop, then be sure to do this. What is up, everyone? My name is Brennan Dopp, and I teach you everything that you need to know about print on demand and Etsy. If you're new here, be sure to hit that notification bell and subscribe to my channel to make sure you do not miss out on anything that can help you make passive money online and create the lifestyle that you want. In this video, I will show you how to do Etsy shop updates, and be sure to stay till the end if you want to increase traffic to your shop. Posting shop updates is an awesome way to drive more traffic to your shop. You can share photos of your newest items so anyone who has ever engaged with your shop will be notified immediately. So you can reach all of your Etsy fans at once, so anyone that has favorited a listing, has favorited your shop, has purchased an item from your store will be notified on Etsy.com as well as on their app, so they will always be in the know on what is new in your store. You can reach your entire social network too, so you can share updates on any social media platform that you are on, so Facebook or Instagram or whatever it is. You can send out promotions that you're running or even the new items that you have recently listed. And what is awesome, each photo you share is shoppable. They can click on the link that will directly take them to your store and that specific listing, so they can in hopes purchase that item from your shop. It's an awesome way to reach potential new buyers as well as to continue to keep those previous customers informed. So how it works, it's super easy. You take a photo using the Sell on Etsy app, and then you tag the photo with the listing from your shop, and then you share your photo with buyers around the world. It's a super easy and simple process to do, and it's a great way to grow your shop. And the best part about it is buyers can buy your tagged Etsy listing straight from the photo. So it makes it super user friendly for your customers. In order to post shop updates, you do have to download the Sell on Etsy app, and it's available on Android or iOS. Unfortunately, you cannot post shop updates on your desktop. And I'll show you a quick example of what a shop update looks like in a store. So if you go to a store and you scroll all the way to the bottom below reviews, you'll see the shop updates. And here's a super nice one. So they have their listing or their new design that they've added to their store, and then a quick tagline of "Faith can move mountains." And then here is the clickable link that's tagged. So you can click on this link and then it will take you to that specific listing so the customer can go and purchase their item. And I will now show you exactly how to do this, walking you through step by step on posting your first shop update. You will be required to download the Sell on Etsy app in order to post a shop update. So go ahead and download that and then sign into your account. Once you're on your shop update, you'll go down here to the bottom right hand side where it says More. And then down here you will click on Marketing and then Social Media. So there's several different options for what you can do with your shop updates. You can post things to your social media platforms, and then you can post specifically to your shop. So here's an example announcing that you have Valentine's Day designs or Valentine's Day products in your store. Be sure to check them out. You can share this on your social media to encourage Valentine's Day shoppers to visit your shop. We'll continue to scroll down. You can see you can share your newest listings that you've added to keep people informed. So give followers a first look at the latest additions to your shop. And you can also post shop milestones, so how many sales you're at, to let your customers know that your shop is growing and that people are really loving what you are selling. Then you'll see you can share sales and promotions to keep your followers in the know about any special offers. So for whatever sale or promotion you're running, Etsy makes it super easy with these shop updates to let your customers know what's happening in your store. And then you can share recent reviews, so say thanks to all your buyers while sharing a glowing review. Let people know what you're selling people are loving, and they're leaving positive feedback in hopes that that would bring more customers to your store. And by sharing these positive reviews, it will add social proof to your store to let customers know that people are loving what they're buying. Then if we continue to scroll down to the bottom, you'll see shop updates. So share photos of your products and process with the Etsy community. There's 3 different things that you can do. So you can share your workspace, a glimpse into your workspace, which customers like to see, the behind the scenes. Your process, so maybe you could do a photo of you designing or whatever it is that you're selling. So a peek into how you build your products. And then lastly, we have your item in the wild. Show off your item in its environment. I will show you how to do this type of update in your store. And for the sake of this tutorial, I will be doing this on my mock-up store that I've recently created. So you'll click on your item in the wild. And then here you'll click on the plus sign on the top right side. And then you can either take a photo or choose existing photo. And I'll do choose existing photo and go and find your photo that you want to share. Once you have your photo added, you can adjust the photo just by grabbing it and dragging it or pinching it to make it smaller. Place it where you would like it so it looks nice, and then click next on the top right hand corner. This is where you tag your photo so that it's a shoppable link. You click on the photo and then go and tag that photo that's in your store. Now that the photo is tagged, we'll hit next to the top right hand corner, and then you'll add a caption for this photo and update. So add whatever caption you want to showcase your photo or your newest item you've added, and then you'll click done. And now we have our caption added, we have it tagged, and we have our photo added. We will click share on Etsy at the bottom. It's extremely easy to do, and now I will show you what that looks like in our shop. Once you are in your shop, scroll all the way down to the bottom just below reviews and you will see your most recent shop update. Super nice photo, and then our caption, check out our new Gildan 18,000 model mockups, and then our clickable link right here to the right hand side. You can click on it and it will take you to that specific listing. So once you post these shop updates, it will notify any customer again that has favorited your shop, a listing, or has purchased an item from your store, and it's a great way to keep them informed. If you want to know what to avoid when doing print on demand, check this video out right here. And if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.